Let us start with next one. Question number 18. For an ideal binary liquid mixture, so we know that for an ideal solution, delta H of mixing is equal to 0 and delta V of mixing should also be equal to 0. According to the equation, we know that delta G is equal to delta H minus of T into delta S. So, if delta H of mixing is equal to 0, then obviously delta G is what? Delta G is negative. Hence, delta G should be less than 0 and the entropy delta S should be greater than 0. Then only it can be negative. So, when we go through with all these options, the option D, that is delta S of mixing is greater than 0 and delta G of mixing is less than 0 is the correct option. Next one, question number 19. After adding non-volatile solute, freezing point of water decreases to. So here what they are telling, freezing point of water decreases to, that is nothing but what? TF decreases to how much? Minus of 0.186 degrees Celsius. Calculate delta TB if KF is, so they have given KF is 1.86 Kelvin kg per mole and they have given the value of Kb as 0.521 Kelvin kg per mole. So here we know that delta TF is equal to TF naught minus of TF. TF naught is the depression in freezing point for pure water, that is 0. Its depression has been decreased by how much? That is minus of 0.186. Therefore, the value of delta TF is how much? 0.186 degrees Celsius. We know that delta TF is equal to KF into M. We know the value of KF. We know the value of delta TF. We can calculate molality. Therefore, M is equal to delta TF divided by KF. The value of delta TF is how much? Delta TF is 0.186 divided by KF is 1.86. Molality is how much? 0.1 molal. So, next, delta TB is equal to KB into M. So, what is the value of KB? Value of KB is 0.521 into value of M is how much? 0.1. That is equal to 0.0521 is the solution, which is given by the answer option A, that is 0.0521 Kelvin. Next one, question number 20. 0.06 percentage aqueous solution of urea is isotonic with, so it has been given as molarity is how much? Molarity of 0.06 percentage, that is molarity means mass by volume, of aqueous solution of urea. So here 0.06 aqueous solution of urea is isotonic with, so it has been given as 0.06% aqueous solution of urea, that is nothing but what? 0.06 into 1000 divided by molecular mass of urea is 60, percentage means by 100. Therefore, it comes with how much? 0.01 molar. So, this is always in isotonic with 0.01 molar. Which solution? Glucose solution. As we know that osmotic pressure, pi is equal to C into R into T. Therefore, the answer is how much? Concentration is 0.01 molar. Solution of urea will be isotonic with 0.01 molar glucose solution. Hence, the correct option for the given question is what? Option D.